One major factor while managing our engineering data, which causes tons of confusion, increased storage overheads, and costly errors, is duplicacy of files. Specifically in CAD, the reference between parts, assemblies, and drawings frustrates every engineer while handling duplicates among them. Today, I am gonna let you know how to avoid duplicate files and associated challenges with a proper data and lifecycle management system in place. Thanks to the collaborative 3D experience platform, which is now an included capability of our beloved SOLIDWORKS. Now, by making changes to your designs, save them as new revisions with revision comments instead of copy-pasting and renaming that duplicate with a prefix or suffix, making it difficult to track changes or finding them again. SOLIDWORKS will also warn you if you are working on an older revision. If you or any of your team members try to save files with the same name which already exists, then there will be a warning shown during this process, thus avoiding duplicacy in files. Just check out and work on your files, and no colleagues can edit the same file unless you check in back. With concurrent design functionalities, you will never need to send and receive files through email or any other means for your daily collaborative work, creating enormous number of duplicates. I'm framing a quote here: better the design reuse, lesser the duplicate copies of files. Let's say, for a new project, you need to modify just 5 components in a top-level assembly of 30. Instead of duplicating the entire CAD folder structure locally, simply select which components you need to reuse, duplicate, or exclude from the tree and start working on it. With advanced design reuse functionalities, control if any changes made to an instance should or not propagate to other instances you have reused. After spending a valuable time for a hectic data search process to find the right file to work on, which are spread across different PCs, softwares, or emails, there is still a high probability to work on an outdated or wrong copy. This is much more complex in a multi-user environment. Utilize the advanced data search capabilities to find a part and reuse them in your upcoming projects. Though you use your designs for multiple projects, now it's just a single source of truth without any duplicates. Never mind, you can easily find these parts where they are used with Relations Explorer. Data backup being crucial for disaster recovery, protecting against hard disk corruption, ransomware, viruses, and other digital threats. Which file from those duplicates would you or your IT team choose to backup off? By now, you have answers to solve several challenges that you face due to data duplicacy. The 3D Experience platform can also manage non-CAD data, thus eliminating duplicacy even in documents. However, let's save that interesting topic for another day. If that sounds interesting, there are a lot more aspects we can help you solve with the 3D Experience SOLIDWORKS Solutions. Reach out to us for a technical discussion so that we can come up with a tailored solution demonstration for you.